Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign up Chase online banking on your PC. Chase is American multinational banking and financial services holding company. To sign up to Chase banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.chase.com, then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to official website of Chase. Now here you can see login box on the right side. Now on the down here you can see not enrolled sign up now option. Click on not enrolled sign up now. With that, here you'll be taken to sign up page. Now here you need to first select which type of account you like to access online, whether you want your personal account to be accessed, business account or commercial account. I am going on with personal. Then you need to enter the account number or your card or application number on the given box. With that, you need to enter the social security number on the given box. If you don't have social security number, then you can click on no social security number option. After that, you need to create a username so that you can access your account online. So here enter your username on the given box. Make sure the username contains all the criteria. Then view through all the information as you won't be coming back to this page. After that, click on next option on down. After that, you need to verify your identity. Chase may ask you to verify your identity through a phone number or email address associated with your account. Then you need to set up your security features. You'll need to set up additional security features such as security questions or two-factor authentication. After that, you'll be enrolled to your online banking on Chase. With that, you can go back to the Chase website and log in with your user ID and password. This is how we can sign up to Chase online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.